I'm Shalini Samuel and I would like to welcome you to another very exciting episode of Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one-stop for everything beauty. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you stay updated to the easiest and trendiest hairstyles, and also click on the bell icon so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. It's officially the wedding season, but weddings are a bit different this time with smaller, intimate weddings, and wearing a mask has become an essential part of everybody's look. Now with most of your face being covered with a mask, that puts a lot of emphasis on how you guys are going to do your hair, which is why I'm going to be showing you two really easy yet beautiful hairstyles that you guys can use for your next wedding. The same way each wedding involves a certain amount of preparation, creating a hairstyle also requires a little bit of preparation. So for that I'm going to be using a product that I swear by, which is the L'Oréal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So you take a few drops into your palms, massage that really well, and then run your fingers through your hair. Now what the serum will do is leave you with soft, shiny, frizz-free, lustrous hair that's going to be ready to be styled. So this works wonders for dry hair, commonly seen in the cooler months of the year. This helps in transforming dry and dull hair into hair that's healthy and full of life. So once you're done with the application, you can get into styling. But if you would like to check the product out, then don't forget to check the link out in the description box below. I would also love to know how you guys like wearing your hair at weddings. So let me know in the comment section below. So for our first hairstyle, you don't have to go all out with your hair. Sometimes it's best to just keep it minimal and low-key with a simple headband braid. So to begin with, divide a section from the front till the back till the top of your ears. You can clip up or tie a high ponytail with the top section and further divide the bottom section into two equal halves. On each side, we're going to create a fishtail braid. Secure it with an elastic band. Once both your braids are done, you can just pull on the braid slightly to make it appear thicker and fuller. Take all your hair from the front towards the back for now. Now take one of your braids and wrap them over the head. Securing it on the other side with bobby pins. And wrap the other braid over the first one, tucking the ends under the first braid like this. And securing it with bobby pins. With that, your headband braid is complete. You can open up your hair now and adjust your headband braid. So that's the finished look. Now whenever I opt for a hairstyle like this, I go in for bold makeup that is going to accentuate my lips, my cheekbones and my eyes. Keeping my accessories really minimal by just using a pair of statement earrings. And speaking of makeup, in case you guys haven't figured out your makeup look yet, then you can check out this video on a makeup look that'll go really well with both the hairstyles I'm going to show you today. So our next hairstyle is the classic wedding hairstyle, the elegant updo. And I personally love wearing my hair this way because I think it adds a lot of elegance to your look, which is something you guys want to go for when it comes to a wedding look. Make a side parting and remove two sections in the front till the top of the ears. Take the rest of the hair into a low ponytail and secure it with a rubber band towards the end of the hair. Now start turning the hair inwards using your hands, forming a twist in bun. You can also use this technique as a quick hack to create a voluminous twist in bun. Secure using U-pins from all the sides. Now make two regular braids on both the sections in the front. Secure it with an elastic band. Take the braids around the bun from the top and secure the ends into the bun. Secure using U-pins from all the sides. You can apply some more serum in case you have some flyaways and you're good to go. Now I love wearing my hair this way, especially when I'm attending weddings, because there's so much going on with Indian traditional wear. The outfit, the jewelry, the makeup, and the bun just makes sure it all shines through. Now to keep this in place, I've got the L'Oréal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray. Now what you have to do is just shake the can really well. Keep it about 12 inches away, like here, and just spray it all over. Now this hairspray is really amazing. It holds my hair in place the entire day and it brushes off really easily at the end of the day. As you can see, it adds a really nice natural gloss and shine to my hair. It's also humidity resistant, which is a big plus in case your hair reacts instantly to humidity. So I hope you like these two hairstyles and I hope you definitely give these two a try. Let me know what is your go-to wedding hairstyle in the comment section below, as I would love to know. All the products used in today's video are mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and also hit on the bell icon so you get notified every time we put out a new video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!